Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, all students. Very, very good morning, all of you. Welcome back. That means the online platform, that means SPS online classes at Barsui Raghunathpur. That is a perfect place. I think the subject is, today we will discuss, the subject is biology from class 9th. In our previous class, that means in our last class, we were discussing about the fertilizer or chemical fertilizer. So what is chemical fertilizer? Actually we all discussed. Today we will discuss the next topic is that कि kinds of chemical fertilizer. तो that means kinds of chemical fertilizers. अब देखो किसी भी चीज़ को हम अगर क्लासीफाई करते हैं ना, उसका कुछ बेसिक्स नेचर के आधार पर, कुछ फिजिकल स्टेटस में भी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, इससे क्या होता है कि बेसिक कैटेगरीज होता है जिसके बेसिस पे हम उसको क्या करते हैं, क्लासीफाई करते हैं. तो वी विल यूज सिमिलर concept. That means so on the basis of nutrition, that means on the basis of nutrients, the chemical fertilizer may be classified only 4 groups. That means 4 kinds या फिर 4 groups में उसको classify कर सकते हैं. That means chemical fertilizer can be classified into 4 groups on the basis of nutrients. That means कि किस में कौन सा nutrients present रहता है. तो सिमिलर थिंग से on the basis of availability of nutrients from them, fertilizer are divided into 4 groups. On the basis of nutrients, fertilizer are divided into 4 groups. First one is that कि nitrogen fertilizer. That means कि nitrogen is a major component for the plants. Nitrogen is the major component for the plant. That means as the essential nutrients. That is the essential nutrients for the plants. So that can be classified. They can come under the macronutrients. That means कि plants को कि maximum amount of nitrogen चाहिए. Plants needs maximum amount of nitrogen for their growth and all the process. तो nitrogen fertilizer, that means कि nitrogen fertilizer, these fertilizer supply the macronutrients supply the macronutrients nitrogen. That means कि maximum amount of nitrogen. So what are the kinds of nitrogen fertilizer? The question is that कि will you give me some example of nitrogen fertilizer? So examples of nitrogen fertilizer, that means कि examples of nitrogen fertilizers are, first one is that urea. As we know that urea, white in color and shape as a circular, just like a spot, बिंदु के जैसा, पॉइंट कैसा होता है और सर्कुलर होता है, व्हाइट इन कलर. यूरिया इज द नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर. द केमिकल फॉर्मूला इज द CONH2 whole 2 is the chemical formula of urea. Second, ammonium sulfate, the chemical formula of ammonium sulfate is NH4 whole 2 SO4. देखो नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट है यहाँ पे, नाइट्रोजन. Second, third one is that calcium ammonium sulfate, and fourth one is that कि calcium ammonium sulfate. Fourth one is that sodium nitrate. So we can write that कि fourth one is sodium nitrate. The chemical formula is that NaNO3, sodium nitrate, and final one is that, fifth one is that ammonium nitrate. That means NH3 and O3 is the chemical formula. So these are the examples of nitrogen fertilizer. Why? Because they contain maximum quantity of nitrogen. That means कि on the basis of availability of nitrogen nutrients, we can say that these are the examples of nitrogen fertilizer. The second macronutrient is that कि फोस्फेटिक फर्टिलाइजर, that means कि that kinds of fertilizer contains maximum amount of phosphate as a nutrients, that kinds of fertilizer contains maximum amount of phosphate as a nutrients, maximum amount of phosphate as a nutrients. So this is the phosphatic fertilizers. They are the source of macronutrient phosphorus. That means that kinds of fertilizer contains maximum amount of phosphorus, Due to this, these are the examples of phosphatic fertilizer. First one is that single superphosphate. First one is that single superphosphate is the example of phosphatic fertilizer. Second one is the triple superphosphate, and fourth one is that dicalcium phosphate. The dicalcium phosphate, that means these are the fertilizer. तो fertilizer कौन सा? Phosphatic fertilizer. All the fertilizers, that means all the fertilizers are rich in a nutrient, that means phosphorus. The fertilizer rich in phosphorus as a nutrient. So these are the rich in phosphorus nutrients. Next is that potassic fertilizer. Next one is that potassic fertilizer. Third one is this potassic fertilizer. Third one is the potassic fertilizer. तो नाम से भी क्लियर हो जाता है पोटासिक, दैट मीन्स कि द फर्टिलाइजर कंटेन्स मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ potassium. The fertilizer contains maximum amount of potassium as a nutrient. So third one is that कि potassic fertilizer, that means कि that kinds of fertilizer supplies as a nutrients potassium. So look at the sentence कि the supply potassium, potassic fertilizer, the supply potassium, which is one of the essential macronutrients of the plant, That means potassium is necessary, just similar to nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential. So we can say that potassium is an essential nutrient. That means very, very important. That is the very, very important nutrients for the plant. So what are the examples of potassic fertilizer? The potassic fertilizer, that means कि potassium chloride is a fertilizer. Which kinds of fertilizer? Potassic fertilizer. That means that contains maximum amount of potassium nutrients. The potassium chloride, that means chemical formula KCl. So K is the symbol of potassium or Cl is the symbol of chlorine. K is the symbol of potassium and Cl is the chlorine. Second one is potassium sulfate. The K2SO4, that means sulfate, or K, that means potassium. The potassium sulfate, and last one is that potassium nitrate, KNO3. The NO3 is a nitrate. So these are the examples of potassic fertilizer. All are rich in potassium nutrients. So these are the fertilizers, that are the chemical fertilizer. Fourth one is that complex fertilizer. Complex, that means that kinds of fertilizer contains more than one or two nutrients. That kinds of fertilizer contains one or more nutrients. That means this is called when fertilizer contains at least two or more nutrients. When a fertilizer contains at least one or more nutrients, that means example like NP2O5 and K2O is called complex fertilizer. Simple example, when a fertilizer contains more than one or two nutrients, it's called complex fertilizer. So what are the examples of complex fertilizer? So the examples of complex fertilizer are nitrophosphate, ammonium phosphate and urea ammonium phosphate. These are the basic three examples of complex fertilizer. That means the fertilizer contains more than one or two nutrients. That kinds of fertilizer is called the complex fertilizer. As we know that as per the requirement, we have to use the chemical fertilizer. एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द क्रॉप्स हम लोग को क्या करनी चाहिए, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर का यूज करनी चाहिए। इसके बहुत साइड इफेक्ट है। इससे क्या होगा, अगर आप इफ यू यूज इज मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर फॉर मैक्सिमम यील्ड, क्रॉप यील्ड, इट्स हार्मफुल फॉर द सॉइल, इट्स हार्मफुल फॉर द इन्वायरमेंट। उससे क्या होगा कि जो फर्टिलिटी पावर ऑफ द सॉइल कंप्लीटली रिड्यूस्ड हो जाएगा। दैट मीन्स फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल रिड्यूस हो जाएगा एंड डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ माइक्रोबीज आर प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल। जो भी मेरा रहता है डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ माइक्रोबीज जो प्रेजेंट रहता है वो सॉइल में, तो क्या होगा कि ड्यू टू मैक्सिमम यूज ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर दे कंप्लीटली कैन बी फिनिश्ड। एंड व्हेन द वाटर, व्हेन वी जब हम लोग इरीगेट करते हैं, दिस मीन ड्यूरिंग द इरीगेशन व्हेन वाटर फ्लोइंग, वाटर कैन पासेस फ्रॉम द फील्ड। दैट मीन्स अगर खेत से जो पानी मेरा बाहर जाता है, दैट मीन्स उससे क्या होगा, जो भी हम लोग फर्टिलाइजर यूज कर रहे हैं वो क्या हो जाएगा, मिक्स हो जाएगा वाटर में। वाटर में मिक्स होने के बाद मतलब एज ए सोल्यूशन वो डिस्चार्ज होगा नियर अबाउट पोन्ड्स, रिवर्स, नहीं, और इससे क्या होगा, जो भी मेरा एक्वेटिक लाइफ है, नहीं, जो भी मेरा इक्वेटिव लाइफ है विच आर प्रेजेंट इन पॉन्ड्स, रिवर्स, दे आर कंप्लीटली फिनिश्ड। उससे क्या होगा, वो फिनिश्ड हो जाएगा, वो मर जाएगा, क्योंकि केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द अदर थिंग्स। तो यू हैव टू यूज द केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सॉइल या फिर एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द क्रॉप्स। वी can't यूज मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर। तो these are the side effects of chemical fertilizer. It's your question, right? What are the disadvantages of chemical fertilizer? It's your duty.